In this video we want to show you our experience on an Emirates flight from Frankfurt to Dubai with one of the best airplanes on the market, the A380-800. You can upgrade your reservation to these exit row seats to get some extra leg room. The additional price for these seats is around $100. The standard economy meal was really delicious. This is grilled chicken with gnocchi. You also get crackers and cheddar cheese. The appetizer is a barley salad, and for dessert you get a chocolate tart. Enjoy your next flight.